Yet another hair video. I want to say, okay, let's just hop right into it. Basically, your girl's been MIA. Okay, that's all right. That's okay. I understand. You know what I'm saying? You guys feeling some type of way? You guys like, dang, Chris, come on, we want a tutorial. And I'm like, nah, and I don't know about that. And y'all like, please let us have a tutorial. So I gave y'all a little glimpse of what I do, okay? And I said a little bit, okay? I'm being generous right now because you guys were showing me so much love, so much love and support. And I was like, and I was thinking about it, and I was talking to Big Daddy, and Big Daddy was like, yeah, we're going to have to see, you know what I'm saying? And I was like, aye, we're going to see. Now, I will let you know off the rip, this video is not as detailed as you think it is, okay? And it's just little tips, little things that I have for you ladies to let you know how you can achieve this look right here, okay? This is an affordable way where you, ladies, if you want to do this at home, you can do this at home, okay? I'm basically just going to share a little bit about the type of hair that I use for my locks and basically how I wrap my locks. Eventually, I'll have more detailed videos. When you guys leave comments, I do take in consideration of what you're asking, what you want to know, what you're thinking, or just your feedback. It does mean a lot to me. I do appreciate it, and with that, slowly but surely, I'll give you guys a little bit of more of what I do, how I do what I do, you know what I'm saying? Again, this is just a glimpse. This is just a little preview of some stuff just to kind of give you guys an idea of how I do my locks. Now, I hope it's informative. I hope it's enough for you. Again, I do not do my locks the same. I always do them different. I do them the same, and when I say I mean the method is the same. How I create my locks, it's just really just freestyle. I don't like my locks neat. I do not like my locks the same. I love all the curls that come out my locks. I like my locks to look as natural as possible. Whatever idea I have in my head is really why my locks look like they do. And I love locks. Like, I really, really do. I really love locks. And first, I don't like them right off the rip. So it takes me a minute. Like, the older my locks get, the better they are. Like, the first day you get them, you'll have a love for them. But as they get older, then you're like, dang, like they just look way prettier. They just look gorgeous after a while. And there are times where I do my locks and I do not want to take them out. But anyway, I dyed my natural hair blonde because I really don't like that black to blonde or black to, like, ladies be doing different colors with their locks, with the yarn or hair or whatever. And like, maybe if you ombre it from the root, like the color of your hair to the lock, and then did your color, it might be cuter to me. Now, this is just to me. That I don't want to offend nobody, okay? Because everybody don't want to dye their hair, so I get it. You know what I'm saying? But there's a way to. I just like my locks to blend, okay? Like, I don't care how crazy I get with them. They need to blend. Like, they need to just look like they're supposed to be. So that's why I did my hair like this. So, like I said, this video is just tips, ladies. This is like a glimpse of what I do. This is not a full-on detailed, like super detailed video. And this is just for y'all ladies out there who just basically doing your hair at home and you want the human hair look, but you don't want to spend that much money. You can make them as small and as big as you want to make them. But basically what I do and show you is the type of hair that I use. Now, if you want, I will say, if you want your hair long, I buy packs of Kinkalon, whatever, hair. It could be black and gold, whatever little braiding hair you got. You braid your hair. I don't cut the braiding hair. I just braid it and then attach it to my natural hair. I try not to braid so tight. And then I just braid it. And then I wrap. Now, I will keep in mind, with the wrapping, woo, and you want them long, you got to wrap your own stuff. So you may need to put your hair in your mouth. I don't be doing that. I just go back like that. You know what I'm saying? So that could be a lot. The longer you get, the more wrapping you're going to have to do. So that's another reason why I like my locks layered, because I don't want to be wrapping all day. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be wrapping all day. So that's why I don't do that, And then I just like a little, I like some framing. You know, I might want to wear my locks on this side. I might want to wear them on this side. I might want to do like a half up, half down thing. You know what I'm saying? As they get older, you know what I'm saying? I like to play with my locks just a teeny tiny bit, you know, but I usually just wear them down because that's how I like to wear them. But, you know, there are some times where, you know, you want to be able to do stuff. Now, something tropical. So this is pretty tropical. This is where I'm gonna be out beach in Miami looking cute, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to Miami. I will be in the water and I do not want my locks to unravel because I don't want to be doing my hair in Miami. Okay? I don't want to do my hair at all. I just want to look cute. That's it. And I want to be able to dive in the water and still be sexy for my husband because that's key, okay? I'm not trying to be like fixing my hair. We gonna be clubbing, we gonna be partying, we gonna be acting a fool. You know, I'm trying to hit the beach. You know, I'm not trying to be out here fixing my hair. Nah, son. So, you know, with that being said, ladies, I hope you ladies enjoyed this video. Leave all your comments, questions below. Please, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. You know what I'm saying? Thank you so much for all the love and support. Y'all the best. And if you have any more questions about my locks, I will be making another video right before I go to Miami. So I can give you guys an update on how I wash my hair and, you know, just how they maintaining, how they looking, and all that good stuff, okay? So thank you for watching. Bye. So basically what I want to share with you guys is the first thing right now. First thing to preparing your locks is, for me, sectioning and building my foundation. So you guys all wanted to know how I get my locks super long. So once I get everything sectioned off, then I'll go ahead and basically show you how I get my locks so long and how I do my locks. So I wanted to show you really quick some of the hair that I use. This is some of the hair. Again, when you're doing your locks, ladies, it doesn't really matter the type of hair that you use. It's just based off of what look you're trying to go for, how soft you want your hair to be. If you want a rough look, a lot of people like the neat look. So if you want something neat, you would use basically Marley hair. But if you want like a bohemian type of messy type of look, you could use this. So basically what I do is, this is the hair that I use. This is the colors that I'm using. The 27, this is the Free Trust brand, and this is the Model brand. So over time, as we go along with the videos, I'll show you guys the rest of the hair, the different textures that I use. So stay tuned, bees. I'm back. This is the progress that I've made. So basically how I get my length is I use braiding hair to braid to my hair, and I attach the loose ends towards the ends of the braid. And that's how I extend the length of my locks. So basically, you can use any kind of braiding hair, you can use Marley hair, whatever you want to use. I don't cut the hair, but to layer it, I do cut it. As you can see, there are some shorter pieces. Because again, I do like my locks layered. Now, right now, I'm just taking each strand of hair. Right now, I'm using the Model Water Wave, and that's the brand, the crazy lady with her hair. And this is a number 27. Again, it's different shades of blonde, but I'm just fluffing the hair out. I don't like it neat. I like it nappy, and I just wrap as I go. And basically, here's a little peek at what I do. So I take my crochet hook. It's so messy in my bathroom. So I take my crochet hook, I put it through my hair, and I take a graceful amount of hair. So I'm in a hurry because I have to go to work tonight. So I really have to get this done. So anyway, I take it and then I just can start to wrap. And the cool part about it being so fluffy is it covers the braid and you get a lot of use out of the hair. And then I just continue to wrap. And I take another strand. One way you can prevent your hair from slipping is wrapping pretty tight. I don't wrap tight around where my hair is. I try not to wrap so tight right there because I don't like a whole lot of tension. Even when I braid my hair, I don't braid. Again, I like the messy look, so I don't braid so close to my scalp. I try to pull it away from my scalp. When I'm wrapping, I just wrap. And then however it looks. I don't want my locks to be smooth, so I like a little bit of the bumps along the way. Take some more hair, and again, I continue to wrap. Now, if you want your locks super long, you want to make sure you have plenty of hair to wrap with. You don't need so much hair for the loose ends. I don't apply a whole lot of hair for the loose ends. I kind of like them thin. So, one pack will go a long way, especially if you cut it in half. And if you're extending your locks this long, the braiding hair, you just really add it towards the end. So I just basically wrap until I get towards the end. And my daughter is recording me. So if you hear a little midget in the background.
Hello.
That's my baby. That's my oldest. Yeah, that's Spirit. So then I just take the rest. I just keep wrapping until I get to the end. When your locks are long, I will say, it's kind of hard to wrap when they're long like this. And then when I have a thin piece of hair, some people, they knot it or whatever. I use crazy glue. I like the crazy glue because I don't have to worry about it coming apart or whatever. And it just saves me a lot of time. I just wrap, 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 wrap. So you basically just wrap until you can't wrap no more. Sometimes I wrap it and put it in a knot, or I'll just wrap around it, and then you go. Now, if you don't like this, if this bothers you, or you miss something, just wrap it again. Just wrap, and there you go. And there's your long lock.